Now this illustration deals with separation requirements within enclosures. But a basic rule here, if an intrinsically safe circuit has a separation of 2 inches, to me that's kind of like a separation of a jacket that we talked about using AC or MC cable or any type of cable that had a separation type jacket. But here we're entering into enclosures, and if we do not have a molded case separating barrier from these circuits from other circuits, then we would need at least a 2-inch separation, as you see in the illustration to the right. And then once again, we can install these intrinsically safe circuits in a Class 1 Division 1, a Class 1 Division 2. We could install them in Class 2 Division 1, Class 2 Division 1, etc. The circuit only has to be designed for the area where you're installing it, so it would not exceed the ignition temperature of a gas, vapor, dust, and so forth. So our figure 4-24 just recognizes the 2-inch separation if a barrier doesn't separate these conductors from other conductors when they are routed within an enclosure to termination points.